In that digital age, communication has become even more important, and a GSM modem is just the tool you need. GSM modem, not just a device, but a revolution in communication. First, let's take a look at one of the powerful features of the GSM modem: batch import of documents to send SMS. In just a few steps, you can import a large number of documents into the system. In addition to sending, GSM modem can also help you receive important information in bulk. You can reply at any time to maintain seamless communication. Batch import documents for sending, convenient and high-speed sending and receiving of SMS. It may change. A command and support for API development are some of the features that make GSM modem an indispensable partner for you. For more details about GSM modem, please contact us. We will guide you how to make profit with this modem.